Hi. So beautiful.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to begin. Please find a seat and settle down. For everyone's safety, remain seated with your arms and hands down. Our birds may fly over the top of your heads, so we'd appreciate if you will not try to reach out to them. Thank you for your understanding and cooperation. Please enjoy the presentation.
Hello. I know they have announced that we are about to begin, but before that, I'm actually looking for one black bird flying around. Have you seen one black raven flying around? No? No. Okay, no problem. I'll just go inside and check for her. Just 1 minute.
He's scared now.
So that was the blackbird I was talking about, and her name is Midnight, and she's our raven here. And she likes to keep everything clean, so she just wanted to remind all of us to keep our area clean and throw our trash in the right trash can, just like she did. For all of us, we have trash cans on either side of the stage. So when you want to throw your trash, you know where to throw it, right? Yeah? And before I forget, let me introduce myself. I am Sankit, and I'm one of the animal trainer here in Dubai Safari Park. And I welcome all of you in Bird Kingdom. You know, here in Dubai Safari Park, we have birds from all over the world. And past few years, they have been giving message about conservation and protecting our environment. And today is your lucky day because you will get the chance to meet them and interact with them. So, are you guys excited? Okay, let's do it one more time. So, are you guys excited? Alright, so without wasting any time, let's begin.
Birds have always fascinated us since the dawn of time. But what is it about birds that excite people? Is it because of their melodic songs? Or their unique behaviors? Or maybe their colorful plumage? Every bird has a story. Today, we are going to take you on a thrilling journey of the Bird Kingdom.
few of the feather friends which we are going to see here today. We have a lot more than that, and I'm actually very excited to introduce you to all of them and share their amazing stories with all of you. So these are our banana ibises, and these birds come from Africa, and you must have heard how they get their name, right? Their call is very loud, and they actually sound like ha da da. Let's see if they are going to do that again. Yeah, that's how they get their name. Pretty simple, right? Come on, let's go. And as I said, these birds are very commonly found in Africa, but these birds are textile feeders. Okay, this side. Sorry, come on, here. These birds are textile feeders, which means they have sensory receptors next to their beak, and when they are actually hunting for their food, they just put their beak inside the water and swim around. So that's how they find their food. And those guys are amazing, right? But as I said, those guys are only found in Africa, but unlike them, we have some birds which can be found all over the world, like our beautiful ducks over here. And we all have seen ducks before, right? Yeah? And people love to feed them bread. You must have done that. But is it good for them? Not really. Bread is the ultimate junk food for them. Have you ever seen bread in the water? It grows, right? That same thing happens when they eat bread. It goes to their intestine, make them full, and after that they cannot eat anything else. But luckily, our duck friends here, these birds are omnivorous, which means they can eat all kinds of fruits, vegetables, and insects. So if you want to feed ducks next time, remember, do not feed them bread. And those were our duck friends. Beautiful, guys. So now we saw birds on the ground over here, but next bird which we are going to see, those birds are completely different from the ones which we saw. So now let's welcome our hornbills over there. Come on, let's go guys here. So these are our blitz hornbills, or also known as Papuan hornbills. And these birds are sexually dimorphic, which means adult male and female, they look little different from each other. So now I want to find out which one is male and which one is female out of these two birds. And you guys are going to help me. Okay, so how many of you think that bird over here is our male bird? Raise your hands. And how many of you think that one over there is our main bird? Please raise your hands.
That's me.
Okay, you know what? You guys are excellently right. That is Harry, our main bird, and this one is Hermione, our female bird. And these birds are very agile flyers. They can even catch insects while flying in mid-air. I would love to show you that, but I don't have any flying insect, so I will be using fruits instead. So check this out. Come on, let's go ahead. to tell you all that we have managed to breed one of these lovely birds pair here in Dubai Safari Park. And if you want to see them up close, you can visit our glass building which is at the entrance. That was really amazing, right? And hornbills are really interesting species of bird, as you saw. And speaking about interesting, let's talk more about their unique nesting abilities. So this is Windy, our female rhinoceros hornbill, coming all the way from Malaysia. And during breeding season, when female hornbill is ready to lay her egg, she will look for one tree cavity, just like this one. And if she likes that tree cavity, she will go inside and lock herself with mud and debris, leaving just one small hole so that male can pass through the food inside for her. Right now, Windy has gone inside, right? So let's check with her if she likes that nesting cavity. Hey, Windy, you like that nesting cavity over there? Look at that, she likes it. Okay, let's ask her one more question, okay? One last one. Hey, Windy, are you laying your eggs inside? Look at that, she is saying yes. Okay, Windy, you can rest inside, but during this time, it's the male's responsibility to fly around the forest and look for food for his family. So let's welcome Mr. Tim, our male rhinoceros hunter. That guy is pretty handsome, eh? And you know what? It takes 40 to 45 days for chicks to come out of those eggs. And once the oldest chick reaches 3 weeks old, it is the perfect time for female hornbill to come out of her nesting cavity. So here comes Windy one more time. Let's go. Now, as you can see, these birds are very close to you, right? But you must be wondering, what is that big thing on top of their head? You can see that. It's looking like a banana or second week or something. It's called gust. We believe it works as a vibrating chamber to make their voices sound louder. But unfortunately, this is the thing causing problem for these amazing birds in the wild, because many people are actually hunting them to obtain that gust and make an ornament out of it. But luckily, there are so many rescue centers and rehabilitation centers working to protect these amazing birds. So, in future, we can say that we will see many more hornbills flying across the skies of Malaysia. So, that was Tim and Windy, our rhinoceros partner. Great job, guys. Okay, so now we have seen some parrots. See, we have some. Okay, no problem. We have seen some birds, but for next feather friend, I will be needing your help. So I need 2 volunteers from you guys to call our next feather friend. So anyone? I need the younger ones. I'm so sorry. Okay, you can go with Trainer Dennis over there. How about this side? Okay, you are coming here. Okay, you have to stand here. I just needed 2. I'm so sorry. Okay. Okay, can you stand here? You have to sit down. I just needed 2. I'm so sorry, guys. You have to hold this plate with both the hands. I'm so sorry. You have to sit on your plate. I'm so sorry. This is very difficult for me. Okay, so now, okay, whenever everybody is ready, let's call Salt and Pepper, our black-headed parrots. See, this is black-headed parrots, our Salt and Pepper. These birds come from America, and you can see how they get their name, right? They have that black cap on their head. And these birds are very naughty actually. These birds can even fight with bigger parrots, and sometimes if they want, they can even fight with humans. For those of you who are missing this activity, don't worry, we have similar activity in this farm, so you can go there and meet our beautiful parrots. And how about some big round of applause for our young volunteers? Thank you so much, guys. Alright, so now we have our parrots. Let's fly them around. So do you want to see some parrots flying? Okay, let's bring them on. So this is Yasmin and Namnam, our Amazon Amazon jungle. Pretty simple, right? But people actually think that parrots can talk, which is actually not true. Parrots cannot talk. What they do is mimicking. So basically, they just use words around them, copy those words and repeat it, not knowing what they are actually saying. But because of this ability, many people actually want to have them as their pets, and many birds have been taken out from the wild to sell in illegal animal batteries. So in future, if you want to see them, we must protect them now. So that was our Amazon parrots, Yasmin and Raka. Really doing their best. Okay, so let me ask you one thing. Are you guys excited to see the biggest parrot species in the world flying around? Okay. Let me ask you one more time. Are you guys excited to see the biggest parrot species here? Okay, so let's bring out the macaws. Those are our beautiful macaws. Macaws are really amazing creatures, you know. These birds also come from South America, but they can live around 60 to 70 years in the wild. That's really amazing for any parrot species, right? But with this lifestyle also, these birds are facing problems in the wild. 6 species of macaws are already extinct, and more macaw species are getting in endangered list every single day. You know what is causing that? It's illegal animal pet trade and deforestation. But with all these devastating news, there is still a hope. Conservation will always be a wise mission, and by doing small things correctly, you can also be a part of it. By throwing your trash in the right trash cans, by supporting your local rescue centers, and by not buying from illegal animal pet trade, you can make a big difference. Remember, these birds, they all need our help. So let's join our hands together to protect these amazing creatures and the environment they live in. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there who knows what adventure awaits you. There are still so many more stories waiting untold for all of you to be discovered. So remember to save our planet, spread your wings, and make a difference. You guys have been a wonderful audience. Thank you so much, all of you, for visiting. Have a lovely day. Only here at the Dubai Safari Park. Bye-bye.
Hi. So beautiful. He's not trained yet?
This for VIP.
Ah, okay.
Encounter. You want to pay or not pay?
You have to pay. We already did actually. We did all the behind the scenes. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Right.